Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Taurus. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career circumstance, guys. And we'll be picking one card from the Moonology deck for your moon sign, guys. And Taurus, this reading will resonate for your sun, moon, rising, and Venus signs. So let's start with these cards. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, Taurus, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this reading, guys. So we have these cards for your general energies, Taurus. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, Taurus, you have dreams or you have some plans for your future and you are thinking about that and you are moving towards that maybe, and you feel really some kind of inspiration overwhelming you. You are passionate about some things, maybe some kind of inspiration or intuition working working in you, pointing you towards certain things. Maybe you want to take up a new path in your career, or you feel a little creative. You have a lot of imagination and fantasies for your future or dreams for your future, and you are thinking of that and planning on that. And maybe you may have a keen sense of intuition working for you today, guys, and something may come. And maybe in your relationship today, guys, Taurus, you may see yourself in some kind of an uncertain circumstance. You don't know what this person is thinking or feeling. Maybe you have great dreams or plans for your future, but what you see in this relationship, maybe you may have some arguments or something may not go right or something may not work out as expected or what you were thinking of for this relationship, guys. But still, something is going to change the way things are going, guys. Maybe there is someone coming, maybe this person has something important to tell you. They may come personally to meet you. And for those who are in a long distance relationship, Taurus, this person is definitely coming to see you after a long time. So you can be happy for that. And maybe you never expected this visit, this surprise visit from them, but they are here as a surprise, and they like you. And maybe whatever problems you had, maybe some misunderstanding or whatever it was, all that is simply going to change with this person's arrival. So for your relationship, we picked one card, guys, and it is Four of Moons in reverse. So maybe, just like we saw with the previous card, some kind of intuition may be telling you or guiding you. If you have something like that, some thought, some repetitive thought coming in your mind telling you something, or in your circumstances, if you are seeing some signs, you must be aware of that, guys. You must see what is the thing it is trying to tell you, maybe your intuition or these signs. So if you listen to that, it is going to help you today, Taurus, in your relationship. So for your career circumstance, we have Seven of Stars in reverse. So In your work situation, guys, Taurus, you are someone who is really confident about your skills and talents, and you are a hard working person, determined. But today maybe you may have someone um, trying to tell you something. It may be a friend or a colleague. So this person is trying to help you out of some circumstance, and they are giving you good advice. If there is someone like that, you must listen to them, guys. You should not avoid them, because this person is trying to help you, and with this help you can achieve greater heights in your work situation, Taurus. So for your moon energies today, Taurus, we have this card. So have faith in your dreams, waxing crescent moon. So it just means that you are going to reach success. This is not the time to give up. It is too early to give up. You just are on the way towards success, but you must do what you need to do. Have that determination. Don't feel depressed or sad seeing the way things are going. If you can't make that practical steps, how will you reach success, guys? So this card is a reminder. So you must focus on your dreams and goals you have, and stay focused to move forward. Do not look back. That is the energy with this card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please watch the pick a card love reading that will follow right now, guys. Thank you, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card here. I will keep this card behind. So for those who chose this card, it says responsibility. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your relationship, in your personal life, you are what you think. So the power of your thoughts are that positive intentions, whatever you have, that is going to make the way the things go in your circumstance, guys. So your thoughts are also the reflection of what you are, what kind of person you are. So if you are a responsible soul, you must be really aware of your thoughts, be really conscious, because that is going to create that reality today, guys. So the power of positive thinking, and when you do something based on thoughts, based on purity of love you have for someone, it is going to simply influence the way things go in this relationship or in your personal life. And also, guys, we should avoid being judgmental. We are not aware of the reason why this person is speaking in such a way, or what is influencing their actions or words, what is the motivation behind that. We never have any idea. So we must have that compassion and love towards the people who are there in our life. So when we do that, we will never be judgmental, and we must, as responsible people, we must influence others with the way we handle our circumstances, guys. So we should not put it into words and give them some advice. Instead of that, just by the way we live, just by setting that example for others, we will inspire the people in our life through our actions and through the way we lead our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, it says Yin. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances today, maybe in your relationship or your work situation, whatever it is, we are often used to doing things our own way, handling the situation just like we do each and every time, based on our knowledge and experience. But today, it may be time you let someone else make that move. Allow someone else. This is the time for you to consciously allow someone, guys. When you do that, you will know what is truly in their hearts. When you permit others to tell you who they are, what they want, and what are their actions, what are their intentions, you will be pleasantly surprised to know the truth and what is in their heart and what they are meant to do. So, even the small gestures and actions are going to give you clarity when you give that power, when you hand over the reins to that other person. So this is the time for you to wait for miracles to unfold, where things are going, how things are shaping up in your relationship or in your work situation. This is not the time for you to take action. This is the time for you to just open up, let love, abundance, and life come towards you, guys, without any demand or expectation on your side. So all you need to do is just wait for things to unfold in your life today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.